Trial ulit, trial.
Trial, oy! Trial, oy!
Better
Allah!
not to move the basketball court. Okay. Nice one.
Go, Takahashi-san! Okay, go!
Okay, on the court. It's a Japanese team. So one of these Japanese is a player of Pure Foods.
Gato-san, what happened? Go, go, go!
Okay, a little more, little more. A little push. Okay.
Okay! Yay!
Free throw line. Oops.
Ka-cute ang initsahan.
Partida ang eyeglass. Hop.
Okay!
3 spots to go.
Okay! Okay!
2 spots. Free throw line. Oh, 3-point range. Okay, Mr. Goto on the 3-point area. Don't worry, we have lots of balls. We have a lot of time.
Alas, naglibog siya. Patay na.